In this video, we're going to see how to use the Indeed.com employer interface. So when you first go to Indeed.com, as you can see here, you see current jobs for people, and then you see this little link here for employers. So I'm going to click employers, and we have a free account. So what's going to come up here are the jobs that we've posted, as you can see. And it looks like all of them are active, but I'm going to look at the one that I just posted recently, which is June 18th for cleaning specialist. So let's look at, shows we had all these impressions, these clicks, these applications started. Kind of shows the traffic, shows the job description that we posted, what's required. Now let's look at the candidates. All right, so I've contacted several of them. I've already contacted 9 of these 44, but let me show you how I did it. So basically, you click on the candidate's name. Now she somehow came in from Louisiana. I don't know how she ended up posting for this, but let's look at Quashan. So we can see qualifications: driver's license, cleaning, high school GED. He didn't complete the skills test. They have 1 year cleaning experience, a valid driver's license. Now it says here, list 2 to 3 dates or times ranges that you could do an interview, and they say weekday at any time. So what I'm going to do is click that we're interested in this candidate, that we reviewed them. You see how the status changes? And then we can click here. They're shortlisted, and we can click here to set up an interview. So they said weekdays at any time. So the best time for me is going to be like about 1:15. So it's going to be a 15-minute interview. We'll make it by phone, but we could make it in person. I mean, by video or even in person. It says add hiring team members. I'm going to add you, D. Gaston at microcleaningsolutions.com, just in case they can see the email address. And then I'm going to send a message to Quan Shad, I guess, that, let's see if I still have it on the clipboard. Yeah. So I started some messages. I'm saying you're a good match for our cleaning specialist position, and we would like to contact you regarding next steps. So I'm going to change this message a little bit. This is the message that I originally created. You're a good match for our cleaning position. So what I'm going to do, since this person has said they're available for interviews, instead of asking them when they can interview, I'm going to say you're a good match for our cleaning position, and we would like to interview you on Tuesday, 6/25/24 at 1:15 p.m. Please reply to this message or email us at hiring@microcleaningsolutions.com. Or you can call us at 330-780-1400 to confirm that you are available on 6/15 at 1:15. Then I'm going to say, please include a phone number where you can be reached and an email address. Okay, now that's that. So let's copy paste that, close out this window, and we're going to paste it in here. All right, so now we're going to send the interview request and this message to the candidate. So let's do another one. So we'll go back to candidates, and you can see all the ones I did earlier. You can see we just did Quayshawn. I did Peter Milo too. So now let's do Eugene Williams. So what we're going to do is look, he has a driver's license, he has cleaning experience, high school diploma or GED. He completed the skills test and he rated proficient to be a cleaner. Here's some of the custom screener questions that he was asked. How many years of cleaning experience do you have? He's had 10 years and he has a valid driver's license. Please list 2 or 3 dates and time ranges that you could do an interview. Now this guy did not do that. So what I'm going to do is go back to the first message here where we're asking for interview times. You're a good match for our cleaning position. Please tell us a few times you would be available. So I'll use this message. If they tell us the times, we'll use the second message. All right, so let's go back here and we're going to send him a message. No sense in inviting him to interview because we don't know what times might work for him. Let's see if he replies to us or calls. So let's do one more. You don't want the video to be too long. All right, so here's all the folks we've done so far. We did Peter Milo, we did Eugene Williams. So we'll click that. How about Jarrell Williams? So he has a driver's license, cleaning, he has an associate degree. So maybe we don't want him. I don't know. But let's go here and we'll look at his skills. He completed the skills test. He has an associate degree, 2 years cleaning experience, valid driver's license. He didn't indicate 2 to 3 dates or times that he could do an interview. So what we're going to do is send him a message asking him to give us some times to have an interview. We're going to click this so that he'll be listed as shortlisted that we've talked to already. And then we're going to send him this email. We're going to go back to candidates, and then you'll see that if we go down here to him, that he's been shortlisted, and that I guess it doesn't show that we sent him a message, but we did. So now we could go to the next ones and go through these, but you can't break it. Just play around with it and you'll figure it out. I will send you the login and password separately.